This isn't just a luxury van. It's a straight-up road beast, ready for the streets and whatever's off map. Welcome back to Indus Auto YT. Today, we're peeping one of the wildest, most baller vans rolling in the US, the 2026 GMC Savana Overland 6x6 luxury van. This ain't your grandma's stretch van with leather seats. This is a 3-axle monster mixing executive vibes with serious off-road chops. Full-size van formula? Yeah, we flipped that script. From the jump, the transformation hits. 6x6 setup alone changes everything. 3 axles, 6 gnarly off-road tires, widened fender flares, reinforced bumpers, lifted stance. The Savana literally owns every street it rolls on. Feels more like an expedition rig than your everyday shuttle. Front and center, that bold GMC grille flexes hard. Modern LED lighting? Check. Extra lamps for low visibility? Check. Sculpted hood and stretched body? Yep. Rugged meets high-end. Whether you're outside a 5-star hotel or climbing snowy mountain passes, it looks untouchable. Step inside, and the vibe flips. Now we're talking private jet lounge energy, premium leather captain's chairs, clean stitching, ambient LED mood lighting, high-end materials everywhere, seats that actually care about your back on long hauls, power adjustable, heated, ventilated, and some even got massage mode. Fold-out tables, integrated storage, privacy shades, noise insulation? Yeah, we got that too. Rear passengers treated like royalty. Big entertainment screens, premium surround sound, smooth streaming, work-ready setups. Up front, the driver gets an upgraded dash, big infotainment screen, and enhanced visibility. Big rig doesn't feel like a pain to handle. Under the hood, that's where the party starts. V8 gas or turbo diesel. Torque and durability for days, and the 6x6 drivetrain, pure dominance. Power to all 3 axles keeps traction tight on sand, gravel, snow, whatever. Reinforced suspension, tuned shocks, upgraded diffs, smooth on highways, stable when the pavement dips. Tech game's strong. Central infotainment handles your phone, navigation, vehicle data. Drivers can toggle terrain modes, axle engagement, tire pressure. Rear passengers got climate and media controls. Wireless charging, USB ports, onboard Wi-Fi, optional satellite. Long trips? Easy peasy. Safety? Locked in. Forward collision alert, auto braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, extra cams and sensors for tricky maneuvers. Reinforced chassis, heavy-duty brakes, stability control. Confidence on demand. Price check. This bad boy sits in the premium specialty lane. Base builds, $250,000 to $350,000. Custom rigs, sky's the limit. Drivetrain mods, suspension, luxury interiors, specialized engineering. This isn't your factory minivan. Insurance, fuel, maintenance, yeah, plan for it. But for executives, VIPs, celebrities, overland warriors, this van isn't about saving pennies. It's about flexing exclusivity and serious capability. Well-built examples even hold resale value if cared for right. So what sets the 6x6 Savana apart? It's that rare mix of presence and practicality. Few rides combine limo-level comfort with real off-road readiness like this. It doesn't just move people, it makes a statement. So, would you use this beast for executive travel, cross-country missions, or both? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you're vibing with content like this, hit that like, subscribe to Indus Auto YT, and stay locked in. Catch y'all in the next one.